Okay, so today we will be showing you the Google Keep note taking. So I first coordinated all my notes with colors, purple being hobbies, orange being family, and then blue/turquoise being photography. So for photography, I first have a note about manual settings and each of the main things that comes with manual settings: ISO, f-stop, and shutter speed, along with a screenshot of a manual photography cheat sheet. Also in photography, I have lighting with natural light, studio lighting with studio lights as an example, and also natural light as an example. Then with posing, and you can either have objects where you have tabletop photography, or you can have people posing for more portrait-like. Then with hobbies, I have brush lettering with a YouTube video link for brush lettering for beginners and flower arrangements. So yes, that is how I used Google Keep.